Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel where we do apartment tours on Tuesdays and Thursdays and something that I want to do on Saturdays. If you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and let's get straight into today's video. So we are touring the Walcott Apartments. So far, I really like it, but I do also have a few critiques already. But it is a really beautiful place so far. So let's take this moment to go over and look at the maps and see exactly where this place is at. I'm not gonna drive around for this place because, well, there's not really much around here. Here are the Walcott Jefferson Park Apartments. They're not far from Denver. It's probably about a 5 to 10 minute drive into the city. Around this area, there isn't too much to see. It looks like Denver North High School is right next to it. You do have some basic stores here like Walgreens, Dollar Tree as well. As far as the good stuff, you're not that far from it. You just have to take Spear down, and the further you go, the better it gets because, again, you are not far from downtown. You have all of these parks. You have Elitch Gardens over here. You have all of these amazing restaurants over here to try. Looking at the transit options, you're not far from those either. There are definitely plenty of bus stops all along Spear that you could catch if you ever need to go to the airport and you don't want to pay for an Uber. Just know that whole process does take like an hour and a half. It's kind of long. Let's do this vlog style. So you have a normal lock with a key and everything like that, and then it looks like here you have your water heater, and usually they have that door locked, and then here you have a little coat closet with a couple of shelves. Here is like the dining area. There's a lot of room. I was telling her like I would want a 2-bedroom because I want to get an office and not work out of my bedroom, and she was like, this would be great for you because you have this area right here. It is really nice. There is a wall right here, like a little fence. It does kind of feel like you're living in a house though with that wall, so that's kind of cool, I guess. Could definitely put like a big table here or something, or a little table if you want, or a desk at the window to do your work. Looking at the kitchen, you have a really big island. Something that I'm gonna say right off the bat is it's an island because it's floating in the middle of the room, but I don't know how comfortable it would be to sit here. Like, I don't know, you would have to sit like sideways because my knee's hitting the wall right here, you know? So I don't know, I just feel like the countertops could have come out a little bit more in my opinion, but it is what it is. I do like that this wall here is a different color, and then you have a few different outlets. It's kind of weird to me that this one is the only one that's so low, and then those two are up high. You do get a really big, another thing that I really like are these lights, these light fixtures. I think it's really pretty. They have like the clear glass. I like that look a lot. You have a lot of storage with all of the cabinetry. You do also have additional storage over here within the cabinetry, and then you do have stainless steel appliances. So I feel like how this is here, they should have had it a lot more deep on the other side, but this is probably just to like hide your trash can. And then here on the stove top, you have one of those like fans, pretty cool, and a glass stove top, of course. And then for the backsplash, it is really clean. It goes all the way up. You do get your full-size refrigerator as well. You have a decent amount of windows in here, so there is a lot of opportunity for natural lighting. All of the windows do open and they're like normal size. This literally feels like a house. You definitely have room for a pretty big couch here. I wouldn't put it on this side, even though they give you the option with the TV plug jack things, whatever you want to call them. I would probably put my couch on this side just because I feel like it would fit a lot better against the wall. You could get a sectional, or you could put a couch here and put like 2 chairs over there. And then also it looks like you have a little Juliet patio door. Like you can see, you literally can't step out onto it, so I feel like this is not super useful. To get more air in here, I guess, that does help. Room for your washer and dryer, like this is huge. You could probably put like, I don't know, some hampers right here, or like shelving if you need a place to put stuff. But these are some pretty nice washer and dryers, if I do say so myself. 1-bedroom apartment. So technically they consider it a studio, but it's an urban because it just doesn't have the door. As you can see, this room fits a queen size bed, though I would say a full would be better for sure if you want to get some nightstands, depending on the size. Just because your closet is literally right next to it, this is a pretty small room. I think that a queen would be a little jammed in here. And then there's the standard size closet. You know how I feel about the closets. I like big closets. Here is the restroom. You do have the full size or the standard size vanity with the full size mirror. And then you also have a bathtub with a shower, and the backsplash doesn't go all the way up to the top. The video that I posted on Tuesday does have that, and I think it looks really good. So we're gonna go and look at the Sky Lounge, and I'm gonna show you guys the pet wash and the mail room and all the other areas. But I wanna list the amenities for you guys really quick. They have a business center, elevators, leasing office, automated parcel system, pet spa, fitness center, bike racks and ski bike repair room, lounge with multi-screen TV walls, rooftop terrace and lounge, controlled access garage with EV charging stations, and climate controlled storage options. So I actually don't mind that it doesn't have a door, and I love the fact that it is like the same kind of flooring all throughout the apartment. There's no carpeting anywhere, so I do feel like I would be really happy if I was living here. I think this place is really nice. Spa available for you to use here. I think that's really nice. My apartment has a